From the below, which state did not share its border with West Bengal? Answer D. Meghalaya. Who was the first Chief Minister of West Bengal? Answer B. Prafulla Chandra Ghosh. In India, Doctors' Day is celebrated on the memory of Vidhan Chandra Roy on answer C. 1st July. The Kharagpur India Institute of Technology was established in the year answer B. 1951. Who is known as the father of the Bengali Renaissance? Answer C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which Viceroy of India declared the Bengali partition in 1905? Answer A. Lord Curzon. In which year the capital of India is shifted from Kolkata to Delhi? Answer C. 1911. The construction of Victoria Memorial was completed in the year answer D. 1921. The novel Parinita was written by answer B. Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay. The famous novel Devdas was written by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay in the year answer D. 1917. In India, West Bengal is the largest producer of answer B. Rice. In which year Jyoti Basu became the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the first time? Answer C. 1977. Total number of districts in West Bengal is answer D. 20. Who is known as the last independent Nawab of Bengal? Answer B. Siraj-ud-Dowla. The Kolkata Metro service was started from the year answer C. 1984. The Battle of Plassey was fought in the year answer B. 1757. Who is the first Chancellor of Kolkata University? Answer C. Lord Canning. The University of Kolkata was founded in answer B. 1857. Who is the first Indian woman to swing the English Channel twice? Answer A. Bulla Chaudhary. India's first pharmaceutical company Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals was established by answer D. Prafulla Chandra Roy. Who is known as the founder of India Statistical Institute? Answer A. Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis. In which year the Nobel Prize in Literature was given to Rabindranath Tagore? Answer B. 1913. Satyajit Ray's first film Pather Panchali was released in the year answer B. 1955. Who was the first person from West Bengal to win Bharat Ratna Award? Answer D. Vidhan Chandra Roy. Which one national park from West Bengal is also under UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer C. Sundarbans National Park. In which year the Howrah Bridge was opened for public? Answer B. 1943. In which year the construction of Vidyasagar Setu was completed? Answer D. 1992. Which one is the largest district by area wise in West Bengal? Answer A. South 24 Parganas. In which year the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is recognized as World Heritage Site by UNESCO? Answer D. 1999. The Anand Bazar Patrika was first published in the year answer B. 1922. Where the first factory was established by British East India Company? Answer A. Hooghly. Which one is the first Bengali novel? Answer B. Durgeshna Dini. Anand Math, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, was published in the year. Answer A. 1882. Which one is the first newspaper published in Bengali language? Answer D. Samachar Darpan. The first newspaper of India, Hakki's Bengal Gazette, was published in Kolkata in. Answer A. 1780. Who was the author of the first Bengali novel, Durgesh Nandini? Answer D. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. When the first electric tramcar was started in Kolkata? Answer C. 1902. Who was the first Indian librarian in National Library of India? Answer C. Harinath Da. Which Governor General of India set up the National Library of India in Kolkata? Answer A. Lord Curzon. The Indian Science Congress Association is started in the year. Answer B. 1914. When the first ODI was held in Eden Gardens? Answer D. 1987. In which year Sundarbans National Park is designated as World Heritage Site? Answer B. 1987. Who was the captain of India football team when won the gold medal in the 1951 Asian Games? Answer C. Shailen Manna. In which year Mihir Singh crossed the English Channel? Answer B. 1959. Who had written the play Neel Darpan based on plight of indigo farmers in West Bengal? Answer A. Deenbandhu Mitra. Which one is the largest district by population in West Bengal? Answer A. North 24 Parganas. In which year the princely state of Coach Bihar merged with West Bengal? Answer D. 1950. Which one is the first Bengali film to win the National Film Award for the Best Feature Film? Answer B. Pather Panchali. Which one is the first Bengali feature film? Answer B. Bilwa Mangal.